The Sustainable Jobs Fund was formed in 1999. Our original name set out the impacts we still pursue today: a clean, resilient environment and equitable opportunities. Over more than 25 years, SJF Ventures has remained committed to those fundamental themes while expanding our strategy to meet the challenges of a rapidly changing world. SJF seeks to not only provide financial capital, but also to use our expertise in our investment sectors to support portfolio companies with the tools and strategies needed to drive measurable, lasting financial and impact results. Because the biggest challenges we face aren't confined to a single sector, neither is our investment strategy.
Here at SJF, we've been investing in solar for 20 years, driving down the cost and helping it become more available to homeowners, businesses, and the grid. We started in 2006 with Grow Solar out of Vermont, which became a national solar company, which combined eventually with Solar City and EDF. Then Community Energy in 2010, which developed large-scale solar projects in many new states and became part of AES. Nextracker, we led the Series B financing, and they developed really efficient tracking systems to allow solar projects to be much more productive. It was sold to Flextronics, eventually became a very successful public company. More recently, in 2020, we invested in Terabase, which provides software and automation for quickly building big solar projects around the world. And then in 2025, we're excited to invest in New Edge Power, which is a leading developer for grid-scale storage and community solar.
In our latest fund, we've expanded to invest in novel climate solutions and other forms of carbon-free energy. These investments have included Ambient Fuels, a green hydrogen developer, and Nuclear, a native AI company delivering solutions that help the existing fleet of nuclear power plants operate more safely and efficiently. We are excited to build on our successes in solar and support entrepreneurs building much-needed climate innovations.
SJF's journey in the supply chain started in reverse by investing in companies that brought used products back into circulation through reuse and recycling. Hyla collected over 61 million mobile devices, preventing 27 million pounds of electronic waste from ending up in landfills. Optoro helped major retailers tackle the growing challenge of customer returns, turning what was once waste into opportunity. Novinium doubled the life of more than 150 million feet of power cable, avoiding the massive material use and carbon emissions of replacement. Building on this foundation, we expanded into forward logistics, making supply chains not only more sustainable, but also more resilient while creating equitable economic opportunities. Shipmonk created thousands of quality entry-level jobs in low-income communities through e-commerce fulfillment. Tive reduces waste with real-time shipment tracking and condition monitoring, protecting goods like fresh produce. Iron Sheepdog eliminates empty miles and short-haul trucking while helping small, often disadvantaged business enterprises scale and succeed. And Trade Verified brings new level of transparency to global supply chains, exposing bad actors and surfacing environmental, geopolitical, and regulatory risk before they cause disruption. We are proud to partner with visionary entrepreneurs who are redefining supply chains for a better future.
Over its history, SJF has invested in products and systems designed to minimize the negative impacts on our climate and natural resources. We believe sustainability is further enhanced through thoughtful consideration of the interests and well-being of multiple constituents, including consumers, workers, local and global environments, partners, and suppliers. An early example of this interest can be found in our investment in BB Hobbs, which designs and installs water-efficient irrigation systems. In 2013, SJF became the first institutional investor in Vital Farms, a pasture-raised egg company with a commitment to provide ethical food and serve a multi-stakeholder business model. In 2020, Vital Farms became the third public benefit corporation to become a publicly traded company. We later invested in TemperPak in 2017, a company that has grown rapidly by displacing styrofoam with sustainable thermal packaging for food and pharmaceutical shipments.
In our latest fund, we have expanded our investments in sustainability and climate to include those building more adaptive and resilient systems in the face of a rapidly changing environment. These include Revalue in 2023, which has protected over 1 million hectares of rainforest for nature-based carbon projects and staved off deforestation. And Liam in 2024, which is developing AI models for the physical world that potentially represent major advancements across many areas of climate science that would ultimately lessen the human and economic toll of climate change. As we look toward the future in this sector, we will invest to strengthen the ability of communities, businesses, and ecosystems to anticipate, withstand, and recover from climate-driven disruptions.
Our focus on quality jobs and opportunity has been core to our mission since the beginning. SJF used to stand for Sustainable Jobs Fund. Today, SJF invests in companies helping to expand opportunity through innovations in education and the workforce. In 2019, we invested in Interplay Learning, which provides online and VR job training for skilled trades. To date, Interplay has served over 340,000 learners. We invested in SchoolLinks in 2021, which helps guidance counselors and high school students navigate college and career pathways. SchoolLinks served over 3.5 million students last year, 45% of whom were on free and reduced lunch. More recent investments include Rhythm, a social-emotional learning tool that improves student mental health in classrooms. Elemento Health drives workforce empowerment for healthcare workers through more impactful, timely, and relevant training and upskilling. And most recently, in 2025, we invested in Brains in Motion, BAM, which provides high-quality after-school and recess programs that incorporate STEM education and physical activity.
SJF believes there is great opportunity and grave need to improve this country's healthcare system. Our investments in health and wellness are driving better patient and caregiver experiences through improved accessibility, affordability, and demonstrable health outcomes. Cecilia Health, an early pioneer in virtual care delivery and a 2015 SJF Health investment, has helped over 436,000 patients with diabetes, obesity, and other cardiometabolic chronic illnesses improve their health and well-being through personalized coaching. In 2021, SJF invested in Take Command Health, which allows small to medium-sized employers the opportunity to offer affordable health insurance to their employees through flexible reimbursement plans. Most recently, SJF invested in Lovu, a platform that improves maternal health outcomes by providing personalized care to mothers between prenatal and postpartum doctor office visits. Additionally, SJF has realized successful partial exits in 2 digital health engagement companies, Duos and Impulse. Both companies provide highly impactful and easy to understand benefit navigation services to millions of Medicare and Medicaid members.
Our government at the local, state, and federal level accounts for more than 36% of GDP, employs 22 million Americans, and provides critical services such as emergency response, food assistance, job training, foster care matching, zoning and planning, public transportation. Despite the scale and critical importance of government services, particularly for those most in need, the technology infrastructure that government relies on is severely antiquated. SJF has developed a thesis that investing in government technology could have large-scale impacts by empowering government agencies to deliver better public services at lower cost and by promoting safety in the digital and physical public forums. We refer to this newest investment vertical as government and civil society. Our earliest companies in the category had deep ties to sustainability and transportation. Transloc, a platform making public transit more accessible and increasing ridership, worked with state and local DOTs while driving positive carbon impacts and improving the transit experience. We later invested in Waycare, a company using AI to optimize traffic management and predict dangerous road conditions before accidents happen to reduce the 45,000 deaths and millions of injuries that happen on the roads each year. We also invest in the core systems used for administrative workflows to drive efficiency within agencies. Seamless Docs and Authorium are 2 such examples, helping state, local, and federal governments work more efficiently to deliver their services. Finally, we consider public safety not only in the physical world, but also in the digital sphere where people increasingly focus their time and attention. Our investments in Graphica and Respondology focus on combating disinformation, online hate speech, fraud, and scams to ensure that online connectivity of civil society is as safe and trustworthy as possible. Government services are critically important to millions of Americans. SJF is investing to help agencies provide the best possible services by leveraging state-of-the-art technology.
Providing capital is just a starting point. Having invested in nearly 100 portfolio companies, our team draws from a wealth of sector expertise, personal networks, and investment experience to help companies scale. And our work doesn't stop there. Our impact team partners with entrepreneurs to accelerate their impact. At SJF, we don't believe impact ends with data collection and reporting, but that data is the beginning of the partnership. Each year, we use impact reporting to inform meaningful engagement with our portfolio. Through high-impact partnerships, in-beneficiary research, deeper employee engagement, and amplifying the critical ways our portfolio is making a difference, our team is there as a trusted partner. And in 2025, we launched a new initiative through the SJF Institute, our affiliated nonprofit. With the Wider Reach grant program, we hope to enable underserved organizations and communities to access the innovative products and services backed by the impact investing industry, expanding the reach of our field. For more than 25 years, SJF Ventures has partnered with visionary founders to drive lasting impact across our sectors. And here's to the next 25.